guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And so yes guys, you can see that the makeup look is in front of you. I am really liking this look. Seriously, the Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner and I wanted to create a pinky, Indian traditional look. So yes guys, this is what I have come up with. Do not forget to share your love if you like this look. I have paired with a nice brown color nude lipstick. You can use whatever or whichever lipstick suits you or you have. This is just to guys show you the techniques and not flaunting about the products. So yes guys, this is what I have come up with. I'm really liking this look. This look is such nice and gorgeous look. You can actually do this on any occasion, on any Indian occasion, big festivals also. Like guys, yes, I really like this look. This is such a nice look and this is not very tough to do altogether. So yes guys, if you know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching.